Welcome to Italy. Today we're making Straccetti alla Romana, except with a special twist. We got summer truffle. We're gonna add some Semola flour, and Straccetti are these thinly sliced pieces of beef, typical of Rome. You break them up with your hand and you coat them with the Semola. Take a pan. Olive oil. We're gonna be using this olive oil which is made right here by my parents in the farm, and we're using the Moraiolo variety, which is amazing for beef. Shake them and they come here. And make sure you don't crowd the pan, huh?
So chef, what cut of meat do I need to ask my butcher for?
So you want a lean piece of beef. You don't want any fat for this one. It needs to be cut razor thin. Usually what the butchers do is that they nearly freeze the piece and then use the slicer to go for it. Salt. When you get it this crunchy, you take it out.
So crunchy but a little bit pink still.
Exactly. We're gonna finish it off afterwards. We finish off some white wine. This is better done with a cast iron or a steel pan so that you get all this sticky bit that you can kind of scratch away, which of course being non-stick, there's not much to scratch in this case. Once the wine is evaporated, we're gonna finish this in two different ways. First one, traditional. A little bit of rucola, rocket salad. We're also doing a quick turning, let the rucola wilt. And the Straccetti takes some of that wine flavor. For the truffle one, a little bit more Moraiolo extra virgin olive oil. Then we take this. Smelling amazing. And buon appetito!